Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a merry-go-round that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin our merry-go-round with a 10 by 10 octagon plate. I'm going to take a stud and a 1 by 1 plate with top holder. I'm going to place it on top of a stud. Now I want to make several of these. Now I want to place this first one right here. I'm going to try to line this up with the hole. Let's take another one of our assemblies. We're going to place this one right here. Okay, this is going to be used to anchor down our handlebars. And then we need to continue that. We're going to skip every one of these. We're going to place these in as shown. Okay. I mean, we got to have something to hold on to while this thing's going real fast. And yeah, anybody who remembers riding one of these, yeah, it was a real stomach turner. We'll place this last one right here, as shown. So it should like that. Now we're going to take some 4 stud long sticks, place these in here. Now what I'm going to try to do is get this thing here even with here. I don't care too much about this end. And I'm just going to place all these right here. And if your plates are a little crooked, that's fine. These will straighten those right out. So you'll get everything nicely lined up here. Yeah, I did build one of these a while back, but the colors weren't too desirable. So now I'm making one that's nicely brightly colored. Looks pretty good. Next, take a 4 by 4 turntable base. I'm going to take a 4 by 4 round plate. Snap that right in the center. This one's going to be the one that's going to move freely. It shouldn't click. I'll place this right in the center as shown. One way to tell is if you can see daylight through that hole. Well, that means I could see daylight. I didn't mess up. Now for a little added decoration in the middle, I'm going to take a 2 by 2 rounded dome brick. I'm going to place a 4 stud long cross axle right inside. Then I'm going to take a parabolic ring, place this right in here, and a 2 by 2 round brick and a 2 by 2 round plate. And we're going to stick this right in the center hole right here, and the cross axle is going to strengthen this up a bit to complete the merry-go-round.